Oh God! Alright, we're in Walmart.
Let's go whoosh.
I got work. I work like 9 hours. Well, not technically 9 hours, but not technically 9 hours, but she freaks out and she asked me to come see her, so I said yes. It was your last time.
I love her. This one, his face. See his face?
Hold on, can I turn it?
See that face?
I like a long hair, thick red pound. Open up her legs, then fillet me down that pussy. I'm a big on that pussy. If she let me in, I'm a groupie. My sex game is stupid. My head is the dumbest. I promise I should be hooked on phonics. Yeah. But anyway, I think you're bionic. I don't think.
In my
Are you? Why are you doing that?
Godzilla! I said Godzilla! Yes, he is.
He's Chinese.
No, he's Japanese. Yours big old Japanese. Oh.
Get it off my face.
Come on, suck it. Suck it. You want cat? You want cat? I don't want cat. No, cat. I'm not at that point yet. Look down the straw. Say hello. Say hello. Flowers. Ah, that doesn't look right.
Go watch TV. See that TV? Why Walmart has a TV? I don't understand. Random junk on. Iron Man.
What?
Iron Man.
No, you're home.
Oh. Let's tweet later.
Oh, I'm like, what is that supposed to be? I don't have a Twitter. I don't see what's the point of Twitter.
Mirror. You didn't even get me in the mirror. You guys.
Come here.
No.
Come here. Booty, 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 booty. Ooh, there's a hole in your
I know.
You guys just saw a piece of her butt skin.
It's white, ain't it? Don't get me laughing. I don't have a good laugh.
Oh, let's go look at bathing suits. Well, we'll look again. You're not looking.
I can't.
You're not looking. Look up.
Oh, hi. Are you watching?
No, we were not watching.
I hope
This
not.
is the third Walmart we've been to.
in that video too. If you were watching me in the stall,
Huh?
I had to fix my onion pants.
Eeny, miny, mo. I told you. And I don't. Wait for it. Wait for it. Where did he go? Is he behind me? Is he behind me? Do you love me? Do you love playing love games with me? Do they have camo?
No, this one.
Epic fail on camo. You got the army, but you don't have camo. What's wrong with you? That's my color card. Yeah, that is my color.
All the way out there?
I don't care. I'm not gonna go home.
Okay!
Okay!
That's true. If only if those were like blue, that would look pretty.
Oh, that is pretty.
Yeah, but it's not blue.
But I'm not butterfly. I'm more. That's pretty, actually. That's just kind of pretty. But I want the fishy. I'm trying to go for a beachy thing. So.
Just order the blue backseat ones online.
I think he went pee. I think he went to the little boy's room. No, I don't think he did. I think he got tired of waiting. And he probably had to go pee. See, oh, there it is. Okay, this is $10. This is the steering wheel I want to get, even though I already got one. But
the one you want.
no, I want this
Don't
because
take that. It doesn't look stupid.
no, it's not because this is blue. This is blue. I don't want it to get all freaking this, but it's gonna look funny. I know what I'm doing. This is what you're gonna be doing. Kissing my ass. Oh look, fishy. Ooh! I dropped my keys. But yeah, look, there's the fishy. I just might. Where would I put that though? I don't know. What part of walk away do you not understand? I'm repeating what you're saying. I'm gonna get that done on my 21st birthday. On my 21st birthday.
You look so stupid.
Either that or something else.
I might get my lip pierced.
We should do that on my 21st birthday.
So rad, though.
We should do it on my 21st birthday.
You're your 21st birthday.
Dude, we cannot find. Oh, you know what I think he's at? He could be over here in the electronics. Where? Where? I don't know. I didn't see him. Justin Bieber. He's over there. Do you see him? I don't see him. Where is he at? Oh, there he is. He's right there. Come on. Come on. Come on.
That took you long enough.
Look, he's wearing a tuxedo. It smells pretty. And of course it's dying. What are you gonna say? Say goodbye. Wait. Oh, we gotta do our thingy.
Peace.
Love.
No.
Oh, fuck. Love. Biscuits are gravy. And
Don't make it right, he's gay.
so, yeah, hurry up before this thing dies again. We wrote free and dress. We wrote, well, Jessica wrote rawr. XOXO. And I wrote, we love you always. Yes, Ethan's got it. Now what are you writing? What is she writing now? What are you doing?
With those lines.
Oh, okay.
I do, very much. Look, exclamation point.